Oh wait, what? Whoa, presents! Suddenly presents! Welcome to the first part of this Merry Christmas unboxing thing. It's Holland / unboxing thing. Whatever. See it. Well, here we got this. This isn't no thing, but these got this Skylanders giant scene and trouble knock off. By pressing even. There's the rules in the back because they are lazy. Right, go on then. And speaking of Skylanders, actually no, we'll get that in a minute. There's a thing, I actually got my very own Apple TV. If you're actually watching this on Apple TV yourself, then more power to you. It does some legal stuff. Also, no kids spec. With amazing content and airplay, there's always something good on TV. Movies, TV shows, and more. Watch latest Hollywood movies and TV shows. iTunes and stunning PhD. Play movies, TV shows, and Netflix. Live and archive games and MLB and NHL. Videos on YouTube and Vimeo. Enjoy music and videos and photos and iCloud. And videos. Airplay. Stream content from the iPad, iPhone, iTouch to iTunes to read. For enjoy. Or your screen to iPad, iPhone, OS, and PG. Airplay does it all wirelessly. Again, if you're watching this on Apple TV, then more power to you. Right, let's go on then. Next, we actually have this creeper plushie. Originally exclusive to Jenks, but now it's available at Toys R Us, if you find it. Jinx and Mojang with sounds. Boom. Try me. Actually, just hang on. Just actually a bit, you have to squeeze quite a bit on this one. Come on, you. Squeeze quite hard on this one. Get sound play. Oh, it's my left hand. Come on now. There we go. Yeah, there you go. You have to squeeze quite hard on it, actually. So, might get good frustrated. Diamonds that you just lost. The diamonds that you just lost. So, the same thing. And bottom, oh god, there's a creeper. My girlfriend is a creeper. I'm so creepy. It's Minecraft Creeper plush toy. It's busting out. That sure is a nice everything you have there. It would be a shame if anything happened to it. I can't do it sound very well. There's some legal stuff, barcode and things. 3 times or 44 1.5 volt batteries included. Batteries now replaceable. Spin Master. They made good stuff. Good stuff. Character's a little night background. But off the screen. On the next part, I'll show you the full thing. Also, shirts. Iron Man shirt. Actually, no, here looks kind of like a Jaeger from Pacific Rim. A part of miniatures. Also, you might notice Mario's pajama pants. Festive.
Please come get your shoes and bring her to the room, okay?
I am alright. Recording here. Sorry for that. Minor interruption. And we also have Superman. Happy birthday, Kryptonian. I give you Oblivion. It always goes for Oblivion box. Right, go on then. I think now I should address the elephant in the room. It's Skylanders Swap Force Mega Block set. It's Ultimate Battle Arcade. With Shroom Boom, Trigger Happy, Jetpack, and Terrafin, all with their Giants art. It'll Smite, Hulk Smash. Five ways to play by rebuilding a thing. 4 Skylanders Giant Stickers and play Battle Balls. I have a feeling that this is supposed. It says swap says Skylanders Giant Stickers. Yeah, I have a feeling that they meant to release it as a giant set, but never got around to it before Swap Force came out. So yeah, this is probably reused. Even Giants, few of these sets are actually from Swap Force. Like, why they seem like they would be from Giants, even. Jump, Flame Slinger, Eruptor, Gilgrunt. Yeah, eyebrow, and thing. And what looks like the Arcane Conquertron's Monster Pop Fizz. By the way, the Arcane Conquertron and Giants is voiced by George Takei. We never saw the Conquertron in our updated Giants because I was updating the 3DS version, and the 3DS version has a side story. It's a side story, as it always is. And so Arcane Conquertron is a console-only character. And there are not just set Swap Force characters. I've seen them. Here's how it's is showing a 5 diagrams for things to play. It's tips and tricks on Battle Play go do because nobody cares. Again, there's more Giants art too. It's Giants art. Funny thing is, I actually have both Shroom Booms and all 3 Terrafins, unless there was a special E3 variant something that they was giving it out that I don't know about. If there is, then I have all 3 Terrafins. Here's an overview of the completed set. Right, I'll build this up. Actually, wait. There's a little tab here. Remove tab, okay. It's not letting me remove tab. Well then. Right. Go on then. Go over there. I will build you later. Go with a cactar staring at you. Speaking of Skylanders Swap Force, here's a poster! Here's a poster installed too. Is this a poster I'm thinking of, and it's an image I can finally delete off my iPad? Skylanders Swap Force Grid. Trends. Trend. People trends, alright. Yeah, you can always see things they got, some things got others, because they put a bunch of spot for all Skylanders got in Christmas in a bag. Yeah, you can't see now. So you can see that I have firecracking. We will get to that in a second. You'll get to that in a couple minutes. So, trust me on this. So, is this the poster I am thinking of? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This poster is actually kind of leaked. I mean, before it leaks to the game. So, if you've gone yet, you've probably seen it already. So, I'm not gonna. I'll probably show it to you once I've hung it up. We'll get to the back full of Sky in a second. Now, I like to preface this one with a little thing. Dear Ben, Merry Christmas. Kendra and David are jealous of you for his all as glorious. No, she gets sideways. Love, Avon, Kendra, Ellie, and Uncle David. So, what could that gift be? When this big as 80 an hour, you're gonna see some shit, man. Ba ba da ba 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 ba. It's a Crusoe set. A Crusoe set. It's a DeLorean. Why am I still singing this? But yes, it's Lego Back Future set. No, it's actually not branded. It's actually from a service I really like. Lego's Crusoe service. Which is basically, you can basically pitch idea to Lego yourself and get enough votes, and if people like it, and people vote enough, they actually send it to Lego and it could possibly become a model. Actual model. I think it's better explained on the site than, I could probably explain on the Crusoe site, I probably ever could, so, yeah, but it's really cool. Check it out. They actually found a Lego Minecraft set, and almost got like a Zelda set theme through with that as well. But yes, it's Doc Brown and Marty. Honestly, it seems to have either French or Spanish. I'm not sure. Vita vers le futur. Yeah, it's probably French. There's more legal stuff that no one cares about. Oh, this is kind of what Crusoe it explains it. Get an idea. Share your wish. Gather support. And it may come true. Yes, look about the future set. The DeLorean. Time settings display. 2015 license plate. Well then. 1985 license plate. Actually, wait, didn't they travel 2015 in one of the movies? I can't remember. 1985 license plate. Out of time. And flux capacitor. And you can actually rebuild it to match with the free DeLoreans in the free movies. It's original Back to the Future. Back to the Future 2. The one with the asshole Biff Future. And Back to the Future 3 with the one with the time train. Right. We'll show you the else going to the next video. Next part. Rock candy, some Pop Rocks, and some Airheads Extremes. And Sour Belts, which I actually really like those, so thank you. And finally, the stacking. Sour Skittles. Skittles. Burning deodorant. Butterfingers, the Crispy Crunchy, Marshmallow Santa. Some Reese's. There's actually a whole bunch of in our finger. And yeah, basically a bunch of things. A lot of guts actually. Yeah. See you next part.